Hi buyers, today we will discuss Ocean Star in Rashid Yachts and Marina by Emaar. It's soft plan. We have only 154 units. Launch date is March 2024. It's 1 bed, 2 bed and 3 bed. Starting size is 790, 1155, 1600. Starting price is 1.7, 2.4 and 3.4 million. Payment plan is 4 years. 90% during construction, 10% upon handover. Per square feet is 2100. Booking is 10%. First installment 10% after 2 months. DAD payable 4%. Handover date is July 2028. Service charges 15 to 25 is just an analysis. It could be more or less. Maid room we have 3 bedroom utility room. Floors we have 2 buildings. Building 1 and building 2 we have G+2. Location. So this is the exact area for Rashid Yacht and Marina Ocean Star. We have maximum 15 to 20 minutes because of traffic, because this is the old city, the actual city of Dubai. So you will be having maximum 15 to 20 minutes to Dubai International Airport. From here to Palm Jumeirah 35 to 40 minutes maximum, and we have so many locations. So here you will be having also Burj Khalifa view, and also so this is the master plan. This is the area of Rashid Yacht and Marina, and this is the exact location. So we have so many buildings which is already under construction, like Seagate, Seascape, Sunrise, Clear Point, Avon Lias, and so many. So this is the exact location for Ocean Star. So as you saw in a map location, this is a complete community, and they are launching only in this area. And in this area we have different communities, like we have Seagate, Seascape and so many. So these 2 buildings we have Ocean Star. In this community we have a beautiful amenities and also different buildings. So this is Ocean Star. For breakup, so for 1 bedroom we have booking 10% and booking 10%, 4% yearly. So 241,000 for 1 bed, for 2 bed 339,000, and for 3 bed 480,000. This is all about Ocean Star, the beautiful buildings. We have 2 buildings, and if you are interested you can let me know. My number in the description of this video, and I have so many videos of every single developer that can help you to understand and to select a better property as per your preferences and as per your budget. Thank you so much.